been a while. Been a while since I had this feeling. Since I had this feeling. Been a while since I had this feeling. Yes, I know the meaning. Been a while since I had a feeling. It's love, yes, I know the meaning. It's been a while since I had this feeling. I found someone real, and that is the meaning. It's been a while, I've been through a lot. My heart been broken before, but this girl just opened a brand new door, and I just cannot wait to explore. It's been a while since I felt this feeling. Yeah, I know the fucking meaning. It's love and I cannot stop it. Yeah, I'm going straight at it. It's been a while. Her love let me feel like I'm a little boy, but I'm not. But I'm feeling so good as I should, because I found love. Yeah, it's been a while since I had this feeling. Yeah, I know what's the meaning. It's love. God sent her from up above. It's been a while since I had this feeling. I know what it means. It's love, that's what's the fucking meaning. I thought I was dreaming. I know of her love I be feeling. I need a love so much, Liana. Yeah, play with your love, no, it's not a piano. I will always stand by you. Girl, I fucking love you to death. I swear all my life, I'm gonna make you the one, happier than anyone else on this planet. Girl, I hope that you understand it. It's been a while since I had this feeling, and I know what it is. It's love, I know the meaning. I thought I was dreaming. I know of your love I've been feeling. Yeah, it's been a while since I had this feeling. Yes, I know the meaning, yeah. I know the meaning, it's love, yeah. It's been a while, now I'm feeling like a little boy, but I'm not. Girl, you're the one I wanna take to the altar, and we will never fall apart, cause I got your heart and you got mine. Girl, you like a diamond, cause girl, you shine. When I see you, I'm happy, and without you my life feels crappy. Yeah, it's been a while since I had this feeling. Yes, I know what's the meaning. What's the meaning?